Hi, welcome back to my channel. Please join me. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. Today you will see how to crochet delicate motif, and also I will show you how to join them in large piece of work. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the motif. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Make a chain to begin the first round and make single crochet into the ring. Then chain of 7 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains and single crochet into the ring. In total it should be 6 of them. I'm doing 5 of them. Then I will show you how to replace the 6th one. Let's crochet the third one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains and single crochet. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 and single crochet. While doing single crochet, I'm removing a long piece of yarn. Chain of 7 for the chain space and single crochet 5, and now let's crochet the 6th one. Instead of the full chain space, make chain of 3, yarn over the hook twice, and insert the hook into the stitch that I did on the beginning and make treble crochet. My first round is ready. Let's crochet round 2, make a chain, work into the chain space 2 single crochet, continue, chain of 5 for the chain space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet into the next chain space. Make 2 single crochet 1 and 2. Then chain of 5 for the chain space and 2 single crochet 1 and 2. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. To complete this round, insert the hook into the single crochet that I did at the beginning of this round. Make a slip stitch. My round 2 is ready. Let's crochet round 3. For this, make a slip stitch into the same stitch, make a chain and make single crochet into the same stitch. Work into the chain space, make 2 single crochet 1 and 2. Then chain of 5 for the chain space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I skip the first stitch and single crochet into the second stitch and 2 single crochet into the chain space. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. I skip the first stitch and single crochet into the second stitch and single crochet twice into the chain space, and so on. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round. Let's complete round 3. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make slip stitch. Round 3 is ready. Let's crochet round 4. Make slip stitch into the next stitch, make a chain and single crochet into the same stitch. Then single crochet 1 more through the next stitch and 2 single crochet into the chain space 1 and 2. In total it should be 4 of them. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I skip the first stitch and single crochet through the stitch, 2 and 2 single crochet into the chain space, 1, 2. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. I skip the first stitch, single crochet through the next stitch, then single crochet in a row and 2 single crochet into the chain space. So keep working this way till the end of this round. Let's complete round 4. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. Let's crochet round 5. Make slip stitch through the next stitch, make a chain, then single crochet into the same stitch, then single crochet through the next stitch, 2, 3, make 3 single crochet into the chain space, 1, 2, 3. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. I skip the first stitch and single crochet through the second stitch, then 2 more and 3 single crochet into the chain space, 1, 2, 3. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. I skip the first stitch and single crochet through the second stitch and 2 more single crochet in a row, 1, 2 and 3 single crochet into the chain space. Keep working it this way till the end of this round. Let's complete round 5. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. My round 5 is ready. Here how my motif looks like. It could be perfect for coaster or mug rack or another accessories for kitchen or home. Let's crochet round 6. Make a slip stitch through the next stitch, make a chain and single crochet into the same stitch. In total it should be 4 single crochet. I am done the first one, 2, 3 and 4. I leave the last stitch, make a chain of 5 for the chain space, make single crochet into the chain space, then chain of 5 for the chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I skip the first stitch and single crochet into the second stitch. In total it should be 4 of them, 2, 3, 4. I leave the last one, then chain of 5 for the chain space, single crochet into the chain space, then chain of 5 for the chain space, and 4 single crochet in a row. I will start from the second stitch, 1. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Let's crochet round 6. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch to complete this round. Round 6 is ready. Let's crochet round 7. It's gonna be the last round of my motif. For this, make a slip stitch, make a chain and single crochet into the same stitch. Then single crochet through the next stitch. Then make chain of 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and single crochet into the chain space. Then chain of 5 for the chain space, 1 2 3 4 5, and single crochet into the next chain space. Then chain of 7 for the chain space. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch by making single crochet, then single crochet more in a row. I leave the last stitch. You should make it the same way as I did here. Chain of 7 for the chain space, and single crochet into the chain space, chain of 5 for the chain space, and single crochet into the next chain space, chain of 7 for the chain space, and single crochet into the second stitch, and make the next single crochet through the next stitch, and so on. Keep working it this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this round with me, and I remind you this is the last round of my motif. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. To secure the yarn by making a chain, I have already cut off my yarn and pull a little bit. You should remove the yarn along the stitches. Also, you should remove the yarn in the middle part of the motif. Let's stop and look what I have done in this video. It consists of only simple chain spaces and single crochet stitches, so you don't need special skills. And next time I will show you how to join such motifs in large piece of work. As you can see, I have already joined some motifs together in large piece of work. Here what I have. In my case, I used the last round of each motif, and now I will show you how to join motifs. And now I will show you how to join my motif to another large piece of work. This is my current motif. I didn't finish it. I left the last round. So while making the last round, I will join to another 3 motifs. I will use chain spaces in the completed motif. 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. So in total I have got 9 joining points. Now I show you the way how to join. And let's join my motif to another 3. Once I have done 2 single crochet, according to my pattern I need to do 7 chain space, but instead of 7 chain space I did 3 chains, 1 2 3. Instead of 4 stitch I'm making joining point. I take my completed motif that I'm going to join, and I remind you in this case I will use chain spaces 1 2 3, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Let's look at the first completed motif. I take their backs together, insert the hook from the back into the chain space that is in completed motif, make single crochet. This is the 7 chain space also. Then chain of 3 for my current motif, insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. Instead of 5 chain space I did 4 chains, 1 2, insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet. it was chain space in the completed motif, then make chain of 2 and make single crochet into the chain space in the current motif. Make chain of 3 for the next chain space, then insert the hook into the next chain space in the completed motif, make single crochet, chain of 3 and single crochet. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make single crochet and single crochet through the next stitch. Let's stop and look what I have done. I have done 3 joining points. Here how they look like. I did in the same way as I did on other 2 sides. I am done this side. Then I continue working with the second motif. According to my pattern, I have to do 7 chain space, but instead of 7 chain space I did chain of 3, then make single crochet into the chain space that is completed motif and chain of 3 and so on. Make chain of 3, make single crochet into the chain space in the completed motif, chain of 3 and single crochet into the chain space in the current motif. Then chain of 2 and single crochet into the chain space in the completed motif, chain of 2 and single crochet into the next chain space in the current motif, chain of 3, insert the hook into the chain space that is in the completed motif, chain of 3, insert the hook into the second stitch, make single crochet and single crochet through the next stitch. I have done joining points for 2 sides, first side and the second one. Then you should work with your own to complete 3 joining points. You should work in the same way as I showed you in the previous time. Also, you should complete the current motif with your own. Then you will see the ready project. Let's look at the middle part of my blanket or table runner or tablecloths. Let's look at ready project. Once I have done the work, now you will see my ready project. Each motif consists of chain spaces and single crochet stitches, so I think it's perfect for beginners or for a person who would like to make something special. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also in this video you saw how to join such motifs together in large piece of work. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time, and good luck in crocheting. Bye!